welcome back to another video. Today I got a package I forgot to record when we were unboxing. Today we have Lite. So yeah, it only does it in the dark. So let's hit the lights. Okay, now that the lights are off, let me just introduce you a little more about this. So, you guys might think it's a projector. No, it's not. It's a laser light. We're going to actually plug it in right now. And it has 3 different modes. My sister, just got me this today. So I really hope it works. Alrighty, now plug it in. Oh, look at this. Oh, and also you guys cannot look into it, but that looks sick. If you guys look into it, you guys will have permanent eye damage. So yeah, that's what it does. I'm gonna put on some different modes. Like a little after. So let's actually do that right now. Now this is the green lights. Well, now let's change it to the blue. %100% so fun and 100% recommend you buy. So now we're just gonna leave it at the normal mode. And trust me, you guys can sleep with it on. It won't do any damage. Oh, and also, look. So you can do that, and you can even lower the thing. You want it like that, or you want it like that. It sure depends. So yeah, let's just shut it off. That's how it shuts off. Actually, no, it doesn't. You actually have to plug it out. You actually have to unplug it. So that is the Lite. 100% you recommend you buy this.